Hi, smart hustlers. It's your girl Jessica, and today is the day we've all been waiting for. I believe you've seen all the glowlive app tutorials and you've been doing the tasks. So now I can officially say that I have finally cashed out from the glowlive app. So many of you have been wondering if this app is actually legit or how to get your money into your bank account. I even got some DM messages from majority of you asking me how to cash out their earnings from the glowlive app. So stay tuned because today I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, showing you how I was finally able to cash out my earnings from the Glow live stream app. So let's get into it. Immediately you enter the Glow Live app, you go to your profile, and this is what you're going to see. Can you see the bold icon that says wallet? Yes, that's where you're going to click on. So click on the wallet. Now, when you click on wallet, you're going to see two different things. You're going to see the section for coins and the section for points. Remember that points are what you can actually withdraw. So you click on that. Now, as you can see, I have successfully reached the minimum withdrawal amount, which is 1 million points. I don't know if you can recollect from my previous video, I mentioned something about withdrawal that is very important and that you need to know before you can be able to withdraw. If you don't know about it, don't worry, I'll repeat it somewhere in this video. So according to the Glow Livestream app, 1 million points is equivalent to 10 US dollars, which is also the minimum amount that you can withdraw. So as you can see, I have a balance of $12, but for this video, I'll be withdrawing just 10. Just in case you have more than $10 in your wallet, perhaps you have up to 500, 1000 USD as your balance and you want to withdraw, please note that you'll be clicking on this icon that says large. Okay, right now I'm withdrawing small, so that's why I'm going to click on small. But if you have above $500, from $500 above, you click on large before you can proceed with your withdrawal. So once you're set, you click on the amount that you want to cash out. Then after that, the next thing is to set the withdrawal methods. Now this is actually where it gets country specific. So if you're in Nigeria, for example, a big shout out to my Nigerian hustlers watching my video right now, you'll see the available e-wallets for your country. And according to what you can see on your screen, the available withdrawal e-wallet is via OPay and PalmPay alone. Don't worry if you're not in Nigeria, and there's also an option available to you. And I'll be getting to that in a jiffy. So I'll be using PalmPay. After selecting PalmPay, I'm going to input my account details and my full name. Now, this place is where you have to be extra careful because any wrong digit that you input here can cost you your hard-earned earnings. So please be very careful and make sure you double check before you click on the confirm button. So here you enter correctly your account number and your full name and then hit the confirm button. Once you hit the confirm button, the app will show you a summary of your withdrawal. So you can actually check again to confirm if everything is correct before you proceed to click on the final confirm button. On this same preview, they're going to show you the amount in total that you'll be receiving or that will be sent to your account and also the conversion rate. So once you're sure that everything looks correct, go ahead and click on the confirm button for the last time. And there we have it. Our withdrawal application is successful. And you can see that our balance has changed. Now all you have to do is to patiently wait for it to be credited into your bank account. So now while we wait, let me quickly say this. You don't need an agent to withdraw from the Glow Live app, okay? You can do this by yourself on your phone. Okay, if you don't have any of these withdrawal methods, let's assume you are in Nigeria and you don't have OPay, you don't have PalmPay, you can check below. I'll leave the link. You can just register. It doesn't take you much time and their services are super fast. Finally, my payment has been credited into my PalmPay account, and based on my experience, it actually took less than 5 minutes for them to credit to my account. But note that it actually differs for everybody. Okay, and just in case you have issues with your withdrawals, feel free to contact their customer service. They are always available to attend to your complaints. So very quickly, if you know you're not in Nigeria and you want to withdraw your earnings from the Glow Live app, this is what you're going to do. When you get to this place, just click on withdrawal methods, and then where you see the currency by the right, click on it and then search through the countries that are available there. You will see United States, Pakistan, Nepal, Angola, Ghana, and the likes. And if you're in the United States, for example, you can see the available withdrawal methods. We have ePay, USDT, Binance, and Wise. So anyone that you have available is what you're going to pick. Let's say you are choosing USDT now. Okay, you just input your USDT TRC20 wallet address and your full name. And as usual, you're going to get the preview to confirm your details before you then proceed to finally confirm the payment, and then you get your reward or earnings credited into your USDT wallet. So I hope that is understood. So now I want to tell you something. From my experience, withdrawing directly into my PalmPay account was just the best option. I figured as a Nigerian, if you intend to use the USDT method for your withdrawal, your reward or your income will be shortened. You can do your comparison. If you watched my video closely, you see what I'm saying. So yeah, that's for me. I don't know about you. And in all, just go for the one that works best for you. Now, just in case you come across this when you try to withdraw your earnings from the glowlive app, please pay close attention to what I'm about to say. I'll start by reading what I have on my screen here. It says the withdrawal or redemption conditions have not yet been met. Please meet either of the following conditions. 1. Your gift revenue in the past 7 days has reached the required percentage, or the cumulative number of invited users has reached the required percentage. Now, you don't have to panic, you don't need to fret. If you remember in my previous video, for those of you who watched my Glow Life introductory video, I actually mentioned this. And even if you did not see it, what this simply means is that unlike other live streaming apps, Glow Life is telling you that you have to meet a particular condition before you can cash out your reward. Like this is like a specific requirement that is important for you to meet up or meet before you can withdraw. And the first one is that it's either you are able to receive a total of 1 million points in the past 7 days, like in the space of 1 week, you receive 1 million points as gifts. I don't think tax rewards are included. Okay, so when you receive 1 million points as gifts, you are eligible to withdraw. That is what this means based on my knowledge about the withdrawal policy and according to the app. And the second one simply says that if you don't, or if you feel that you cannot meet the first one, which is for you to get up to 1 million points, accumulate a total of 1 million points before you can withdraw. The second one is for you to refer people to the platform. You can invite your friends, your family, tell them about Glow Life app. Okay, how earning is being done on the platform, how it works, and then you even have fun. At least your live stream will not be boring. Okay, you can host your parties and enjoy yourself, have very interesting conversations on the platform while earning rewards doing all of this. So once you're able to refer 30 of your friends to the platform, you can be able to withdraw your earnings regardless of the amount. And the sweet thing about this is that after you have met it once, that's just it. It's not like you are going to do this every time you want to withdraw. So it's just a one-time something. So either of these two to meet them. Okay, you have to meet this requirement, either of the requirements. Only if you have not met either of the requirements from the app would you see this pop up on your screen when you try to withdraw. But if you don't see it, that means you've met it. And if you are confused in a way, you don't know how to meet up with the first one, it's not difficult. You can even achieve this yourself. Since the app is a self gifting app, all you have to do is just to buy or recharge coins. Okay, and you actually need 1.250 million coins this time to gift yourself. So this is a self-gifting platform, and then you'll be able to meet up with this requirement, and then you can carry out your withdrawal. So that's how to achieve the first one. Then referral, just go to the invite section, copy your referral link, and send it to your friends. Please don't just send it to them and then leave them all to themselves. You can forward them my tutorial videos on how the app works and all of that, and just train them personally as well. So that's all about this particular one. So I hope you understand how you can achieve this and then finally withdraw if you are in this category. Please, before I forget, once you are sure that you've received the payment into your bank account, please, it's very important that you come back to the app and then click on this place where you have your withdrawal records. I believe you know how to navigate to this place, right? So where you have your withdrawal records, and click on your order. Also come here to confirm. Okay, This is the receipt proof that the app sent to me. Okay, confirm you receive this payment. You have to come here and click on the confirm button, please. If not, I don't know if there is going to be any issue that might arise on your account, but just make sure you confirm it, just to let them know that yes, you received this money. So confirm your payment at all times so that your reward here is going to say completed. So without doing this, your withdrawal has not been completed. Okay, please guys, let me know if you found this video very helpful. If you would like me to make a separate video on how glowlive app works and how the earnings are done on the platform, because I see that a lot of you still don't understand the platform, let me know in the comment section below. I need a lot of people to drop these particular comments before I can then make a video for you. Okay, if I see many of it, I'll then go ahead and make the video. And don't forget to smash the like button and say thank you in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and subscribe so that you will not be among those that will miss my next paying update too. If you stayed up to this moment, thank you so much for taking your time to click on my video and watch my video to the end. You guys are the best, and I would love to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.